Hello, my name is Alex and I will show you how you can decorate your Christmas ball. Okay, my particular Christmas ball is done from plastic, so it's pretty safe. I will use glue, just regular glue, all-purpose glue, and I have very nice piece. I bought it in dollar store. So what you need to do, you also need to have scissors, and you need to measure, okay, to see just approximately, like it's better to cut it a little bit longer, just in case. Okay, yeah, so I will cut it right here. Right here. So this is, yeah, it's yeah, it works. Okay. So I already have glue, and this is my ornament, and I will use it to decorate my ball. So you also can put gloves on just to protect your hands, but I think I will not. So just like this, this is just a plastic bag, and I use it to protect my table. Okay. 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 Okay, so you just connect it. You don't need to be just very detail oriented. So just do it approximately in the middle. Approximately in the middle. Yeah. Like this. Yeah, it would be nicer if I would do it in the gloves, but I don't have, sorry. One. So yes, definitely you need to wait when it will be dry. It actually depends on your glue. You need to read the instruction when you need to remove the glue, when it's if it's water resistant or not. So I have a little towel and I made it wet, and I will try to remove all the glue. My glue is not dry, so it's wet on wet in my case. Okay. Try to remove all glue, but not every glue needs to be removed, because sometimes glue becomes see-through when it's dry. So I think actually mine will be too. Yeah. So just read the instruction, read what you're buying. So if it's gonna be white, okay, then you need to remove it. But if it's see-through, so no worries about it. Okay, so I just would like to mention that don't forget to use water for your brush that after glue. So I also bought in dollar store this nice decorations. I never used it before, so I would like to use it right now. So I will cut one piece, one line. Okay. Okay, and I will try to see how I can apply it. So, but I'll try to remove the plastic from here, and I'll try, maybe it will work. This is how I like to do it. Yeah, like this, and I would like to have another one. Yeah, so like this. Yeah. Okay, so now I have a second line here, and I already was trying to apply it, maybe somehow like this. The thing with the Christmas balls is, yes, it maybe will be very nice when it's all equal, similar, but you don't need to be very detail oriented, because when you see the ball you can see only one part. So if it looks good from one side, then you're turning, oh, it looks good from this side, and then it's good look from this side, but those sides shouldn't be equal, they can be different. Okay, so I will try to go this way. Yeah, like this. So like this. So what I can see, I will need something else to make it similar to this part. And I have one more line here, and I will try to do it. So just I will continue, then I can see it's, yeah, I need to cut it just right here, and then probably two more. No, I don't see, I have a place only for one. Yeah, then I will make it like this. So okay, so I will show you. Okay, so I need just one thing here. Okay, so just put it in the middle. Yeah, right here. So I think it's not bad. So I would like to do maybe like, I need to remove it, it's not exactly, oops, one is just came off. Yeah, I would like to do like this. Yeah, to make kind of two lines. I didn't plan anything here, I just did in the way as it goes. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not using some measurement to be sure that this is, for example, 1 inch from here, this is like 1.5, so just approximately, and it's in my perception it looks not bad. And I continue. Yeah, one more. Okay, so it's supposed to be, yeah, I'm supposed to cut it right here. Yeah, so I did it. Look, I think it's pretty good. You also can make something on this side, but generally I'm thinking it's not necessary, but I would like. Yeah, so let's try to make it around here, like kind of circle. So you can take as reference this ornament, just for example, yeah, like this. Yeah. Okay, well, I think a little bit, I need to do it a little bit up. Yeah, like this. And I think I will need a couple more lines. Okay, so I think I don't need to cut it, I will just take one. So yeah, I didn't know that I can do this way, so okay. Yeah, just you see the approximate distance from the leaves to this ornament, so approximately. You don't need to use any measurements, otherwise it will be too hard and no, it will be a real job, not enjoyment. Yeah, something like this. Okay, yeah, look, so I may not use anything more. I will just, yeah, I think what I will do, I will take the last one and I will cut it and I will put it between, so yeah, like this. I think it's pretty good. I would make it a little bit more busy. I think because I did 2 lines here, I would like to make 1 more here. Okay. Yeah, so let's do it here, and I think, yeah, just approximately, don't do any measurements. Yeah, yeah, try your best, and if it's if it doesn't look like in stores, it's fine. It's just your creativity. It's good. It's the way how you do it. That's it. Yeah. Okay, so look, I think it's pretty good. And from just silver Christmas ball, it became very decorated and very nice. I think I will use just one little one here, like a dot right here. Yeah, and I also can use it somewhere here, but I have 2 left. Yeah, I will put it here, right here. Yeah. Yeah. I'm trying to put it in the middle and right here. Yeah, good. Now you can see my Christmas ball is decorated. I will make more videos and you will see more ideas how you can decorate your Christmas balls, and I will use different materials and different colors. Okay, thank you so much and have a great day or evening, and I hope to see you soon.